Hi, Sandra here, and today I'm going to show you very quickly how to make a tiered card. As you can see, I have a rectangle drawn and I've made the lines thicker so that you can see them on the screen. I would normally reset this to 0, but if I drew them in 0 with the background here, you wouldn't be able to see the lines too well. So I've worked out roughly what I want my dimensions to be. And I've got my grid here set up to centimetres. Now, the distance for the first fold here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimetres. So I go 6 centimetres down, put a dashed line, another 6 centimetres and another dashed line, and that's the first one of your mountains, if you like. The distance between the next two is 4 centimetres, and again between here 4 centimetres, and then on the last one 2 centimetres and 2 centimetres. The reason I have the grid showing is because that's how you can easily place your lines without having to measure them all out, and it makes it so much easier. To get a line going straight across, or for that matter straight down, you need to hold your Shift and Command key, and then once you do that you select your line, Shift and Command, and then you can draw your line down and it won't go from side to side, it won't wobble around. But you must remember to let go of it in the right order, because if you don't it will skew off to one side, but that at least is easily remedied. Okay, so I'm going to remove that for the moment. So I've basically got the card cut and I can send that to my cutter, so that's very easy to do. And this card is designed to be horizontal, so this will be, when it's finished, this will be on the desk and this will be on the desk, and the valley folds will be on the desk as well. It's designed to go that way up and not a vertical card. What else can I give you tips for? If you don't want to use the grid setting, if I go into here and I click the grid off, oh, that's better. I prefer it like that, I really do. You can actually use your rulers. If you click on the item, you can see that the ruler goes darker in the area where your item is drawn. So you can actually move it over to the 0 or to the 1, and then you can count your measurements. And obviously the same goes for this direction as well. If you move it up, you go to 0, so you could then say, okay, I want 2 inches, and you could line it up with 2 inches. And you can pull down guidelines so that you know exactly where you're going to be putting your lines. And you can pull a guideline across this way if you need to do that as well. What else? I think that's about it for this card, because it's a very, very easy card to cut. But if you want to see what I've actually done with this card, then zip along to my blog and you'll see what the finished result was. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.